Hello YouTube, my name is Amulya and in this video I'm quickly going to show you how you can create a shortcut to adjust your volume, sound volume or speaker volume on your Windows operating system. This is Microsoft Windows 10 but this should work on any Microsoft operating system. Okay, so let's get started. So I was just thinking about to buy a multimedia keyboard but I already have one which I'm not happy with honestly. So what I thought if there is a way to create a shortcut on Windows 10 operating system to adjust the volume, and this is what I got. So now I'm just pressing shortcut to launch it and then to manage the volume. I can press up and down arrow. Oh, right and left also works. Okay. So you can see I'm able to adjust the volume with the generic keyboard by just creating a shortcut. So let me go ahead and show you how you can do it. By the way, I found it here on this Microsoft website. This gentleman has posted this, so it took me a while to implement it, and there was no video on the web to kind of help others quickly do it. So let me show you how I did it. So I've got it here on my computer screen. And what you have to do, so right click on desktop and create a shortcut. So basically right click anywhere on the desktop on a basically empty area, so not on any icon, and then go to new and then create a shortcut. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this one. So just click new, create a shortcut, and then it is asking for a location. So this is the location you want, and let me quickly explain it. So this launches this program. If you just type this in the run box here, they should give you the idea. So and the second part is the first speaker section. Okay, you can find out how you can launch the system sound and then any third party volume manager. Okay, so now you simply click next. I will leave this in the description. However, if you are on a small device, you can simply pause the video and type it. Okay, so simply this is the location of the program and this is the sound manager number, and then hit next. You can name it, so you just type a name of the shortcut. I'm going to leave it as it is. This is the program name basically. I can just remove it exe and then click finish. Now to assign the shortcut, basically right click on it, this, uh, on this shortcut basically shortcut icon, right click and go to properties, and then here you simply go to shortcut tab and just put a cursor in here, and you simply can press a key, a function key 8 or 9 are good keys. So if you press them, nothing happens generally on Windows. Okay, so I'm going to press F. You can press F9. These are two kind of safe keys that you need. So I'm going to press 9 this time because it's easier to press than number 8, I guess. F8, and then you can press apply and then OK. And now if I press F9, it launches this. Now I can adjust the volume but with the arrow, up arrow and down. You can also press right and left arrows and it does the same thing, goes up and down. So That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment. Thank you. Bye for now.